Hi at Bike for Peace, and thank you for checking out the FAQ section. People asking me, why did you start Bike for Peace, Alexandros? And the truth is, I started Bike for Peace to become a better person because I was cheating a girl in 2011 and then she left and I was there with nothing. And I went to Greece and I found this bike in the basement of my parents' house, and I just wanted to cycle like a little bit for a few hours. I had my 75 bucks, a few things on the bike, and finally I was ending up cycling for 5 years around the world. And all this was teaching me that Bike for Peace was a way to find out about myself, about finding my inner peace, and also developing my own personality, which is today like way more honest when I could ever imagined when I was like 23. And I have no fears to be like an authentic personality. And as you may see in my social media or wherever, I try to be very transparent about everything. I try to have an opinion which is like based on experience and not just what I heard from other people. So I started Bike for Peace in 2011 to discover the world on my own, because I never believed in media. I never believed that Turkish people don't like Greek people. So I went to Turkey and I discovered that we like each other. We have so many similarities. And when I went to Bangladesh, everybody told me like these are Muslims and they will not like you. And I was wrong again. And everywhere the media told me like as a teenager that this will happen, it never happened. So I started Bike for Peace also to show you with my magical travel stories that the world is beautiful. And I believe this today. And I traveled more than 40 countries, and I'm a traveler since 10 years. And on this bike trip down to Patagonia, I want to show you again that we as a community, we together, we can make it happen. I started Bike for Peace in 2011 to show you that in each of us, there's a huge potential to change the world. And it starts within us. I was once in India and a small kid told me like, what are you doing here? I said, I'm here in the Himalaya. I want to go to Nepal, to the Himalaya to find my peace. He said, there is no peace in the Himalaya. There is no silence out in the mountains. It's all within you. I was like, whoa, this was deep. And he's right. This kid was right. It's all within us. So when I started Bike for Peace in 2011, I knew that it's up to me if I can make it without money around the world. It's up to me to paddle the bike to make it happen each day to reach my destination. And it's up to me now if I believe that we can fundraise $1 million. And I started Bike for Peace and I'm doing Bike for Peace to show you that everything is possible if we really believe in it, if we really have the positive energy to make this happen. So I invite you to join Bike for Peace now down to Patagonia, the next 15, 16, 17,000 kilometers, to see that as a community together we can help 100 nonprofits with each $10,000. And this is why we call it the $1 million bike trip. And I want to tell you something else why I started Bike for Peace. I started Bike for Peace to become a better person. Because what I believe is through all this traveling, through meeting all these different countries, all these people in these different countries, all these cultures, and letting away all this media and all this shit that you see each day, I started to see that the world is beautiful. And I started Bike for Peace and promoting Bike for Peace and my stories more actively to show you that go out there and discover the world and discover people and look with your heart. Shut down your head and start to watch with your heart. And you will discover the world like I did the last 10 years, and you will say that the world is an amazing place, full of love and harmony. And this is also what you're gonna attract if you're becoming this kind of source, which is positive and filled with love and harmony. So I started Bike for Peace out of curiosity, to be curious, to see how the world really looks. And I'm doing Bike for Peace today to show you really how beautiful this world is. This is my answer. And I'm getting emotional because all these images from the last 10 years coming up. And I'm super thankful that I can live this life. And I'm super thankful that you are here and that you're joining me on this trip down to Patagonia. And I want to say really, thank you for your support. Thanks for being here. And thanks for making this world a better place. Peace from Izamal in Mexico. Thank you very much.